Dalam kasih dia korot berisai Ranwawi Mesut Kabir Rangut Nah sumacay Pasan dia Rangut sumacay Serang bahan serta pelak isap Nedora sukses Minit isap mohon isap Tok yaw kumay senior ganjanban seberangut walain perkarangan o kung nabata paglalak isap keman kandangan ay tumatay sarang Bapak yang tiga bol, kami ambil kau kata, mana semua dia keserah orang.
Gitse एक आदमी वही बस Gitse एक area mana?
Ay sukses sumacay club pagkajan ni Mau mohon club isap. Bapak yang kumai pinggir sepion, kumai perkarangan o, capion kau ni betul pasang karun. Ang sukses minit silu 1 o'clock esok. Pagkayaiban Patuan Bata sa pamamahay school and NMHS school o uya sa palaman Patuan Manintay ang kayo yung magkawiyang sa sarangkapan iyang o kasilin niyo may ay ko sa karon wow kapil pan pas pujan coach tabalat pwede sa pala magkukuro sa ulam kupur sa komando mabili kasi kahit pa kung yung kalab ako maalayang ranuan kanyan ranuan o yakat wow sarawi o kasampan ay ko sa karon wow pajongon ki mananuaw ang bombayun Wala sa pala dekat ko, nanalang ko. Wala ki isa nangan ko, nangan ko. Bajan kaya ito sa mga wala ki Kapana and Bombay, the Honorable Stevenson A. Joseph, Korean Kapana, Lieutenant Governor Francisco L. Juan, Pajong lagi, Songko Paglabalap and Wayne Bombay, the Honorable Nelson Joseph, Yangomi Songko Pung, Kalkoros Asiti Jatkan, Wow Tokeda, Speaker, Vice Speaker, Floor Leader, yung may Songko Senate and Bombay State level station. My respect to the members of the diplomatic corps, His Excellency Nabu Kakomiya, Ambassador of Japan to the District of Micronesia. My respect and the respect to His Excellency Wu Wei, and the representative from the Chinese Republic of China, Ambassador to the Federation of Micronesia. My respect to Ali's Deputy Chief of Mission, Embassy of the United States to the Federation of Micronesia, and my respect to Her Excellency Juan Cowley, Ambassador of Australia to the Federation of Micronesia. Brother Arwan, I think I sekarang kami bawa pan friend soksoal nan magi magi pagawon di senaga nanalag nangenye pagawon lagi tau Nor, Nanato, sebelum mengurangkan lab-lab kehidupan korus dan mulai seserius dan mulai kecil. Kecuali mau lagi, sokong baik, oh yang mau sama sangat. Kecuali mau lagi, nongkrong baik, oh yang mau penjelasan. Ayo kita sekolah tua, mau lagi, muliakan traktor dan gambar kameran, aktif traktor. Kami Chief and Secretary, Mrs. Paisley Ayuan, one is Abra. One again, one more, David Moore. Sebelum baca keynote speaker yang lalu, one again, lab-lab lupa dengan poros tanah ini. Carikan, kerjaan poros menguyakiu, kan kurang kawan di masyarakat tanah. Rekod nanti sebelum baca keserau dan kesempul at Nampay Memorial High School, graduating class of 2023 and 2024. Saya bangga dan kami mohon nilai mereka keseluruhan. instruction Chairman Kachagan after life, we member yang chair dia juga, kira kitchen municipal police on board. Remember to go to Koros dan Kaputta on an kitchen ando. Kalangan kubur-kubur seperti kalangan mai polis Afrika. Terus pajojikan. Saya berkata dan law ada cakap. Oh, kasarawi pangeran kan sekurang pun. Untuk maksud dan banyak cahaya luka. Silakan Mari yang mau yang makalakan. sama-sama silaturahmi. 3 empat report.
Ayun juga kumain pasal-pasal pada anak saya bertuan kababat, ibang bertuan William Teddy dan ay bertuan juga kuburan naman. Lumaran sa unaw ng sarawit. Main sama kung bakalangan sa kabangagan pamuramot, meron sa pulmamoy. Kubur kalangan, lemba. Magpanggutin sa pulmantiyang o kaibigan sa bukat marayin. Rangot sa bukon kono. O sa kabangagan pa mo sa bukat marayin o nasayin sa treray. O kabangagan pa mo meron sa pulmamoy marayin, magpanggutin sa taban o sumbatangan. So, totoo, isang kamalay, o balikan ko rin, masawat ko lang, kaya kausap, kauga na rainwood, rainwood bukan, kaya hanggang kupo, o kari ang ranwood, aray kanagalaan, sampat tayo in high school. Para sa pagkawan ko, isa po ng mga help ko din si ng program ng ranwood. Kalo ko sa tokot, o sa tokot, ang nagpuay kama, sa program. Asa berdoa toki sabon mengeno to el kon kasarawi rai kuat me pasal-pasalan mut koi rai dekat kau kan rai mut lalarai osere sabon pamnya ramatakan marai mut lebih gomi kadin yang sebaduan tor di bawah di bakat koros hilang kabay enak kau oriat Yesus Kristus. Amin.
Malagay Pajoli. Ay sukses siya bang pagjangan ng Sekretary Kasam, the welcome remarks. Why so sukses? Imember jong yan tipukan wet. O lugar. So compliant, so much and co-suppliant and wing Mr. Cornelius Lawrence on Secretary.
Katelia Kaibo. Ako Walang tumaw ang kurang mo. Kaya kita pa magpugkalangan, lumiya, kaya naman magkay gangon. Kaya naman magkay gangon, malaya ka kay kat, kasi yung ganang sa kurang. Ay, wow. Ang kurang tao, walang syokan. Ay, wow. Sa kurang syawal na balat, siyari syukan. Syukan takan. Kalian talakan. Lungko, warangkan. DPA President. Principal. Vice Principal. Sambatangan Koros. And NMHS High School. Taban uno. Ibilman patrol. Kasabul wawal. Ang ulaitan. Syarikan na kasabul associate. Iba doon associate. Kuyan kapatrowan. Kakita. Moisa. Soksalang. ng mga way kasi. O kasama Katiyangangot, Lukotokan, Dekatuan Yuyawi, ng Kosang Tayen, Wayne Biti. Dekatuan Kasamo, Kukurkaros, Pijayan Kak Eogana, Kukuwain Kas, Kukuwain Respeto, ng Kasarang Kasampan, Hermano. Ayman, Yara kalangan ng Kukurkaros.
Kalangan Kongwi, Tokong Bayat, Chandro Kiyong, Tomasan Kosat Bayat, Eul Kalangan Kosat. Chairman ko Chanel, Nalim Aiso, Magchay Kim Kaskasi, Yei Sakrata, Sangrai Bukasatumural, Yei Sakrata, Salutatorian Address the Speed. Forward, Lituan Kapat Pertolongan, Sangan P. Kedua, Batuan P. Kesepriau. Pinagapanan, Batuan Kalaweti, 4x4, EBA. O Adilal Dengan, Nia Kapat Penor, Batuan Kalaweti dan Walakit Tua Bukit Wali Sabisu. Aiso Maksud, Iman Batuan Mulyani, Katiya Raman, O Kasamo, Howard Victorian Address, Miss Jane Bradley.
Yang ko kasanin yang nai ko. Ay sakadang wow pang suran sa macay ko. Ipunin ko ko arakso ay kausalang na mabiyan ko ikuchi o arakso ay konde yu pilwanawi isanangan ay ko ikuchi o isanangan kan ay Wawang kurang kabina o bariyang kabina ay dote, daram-daram education o labanan para sa yangwas na jongga sangway. Kumain kuraya o yung kapitawiya yung mga sakarata niya isa kusay o sakarata West Barn pa John White. It is indeed an honor for me to get a chance or once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to stand up here in front of you all, esteemed guests, which include traditional leaders, religious leaders, government reps, fellow graduates, friends and students, loving parents, supportive teachers and staff at the administrations of this school, ladies and gentlemen. I join my fellow graduates in welcoming you all to the 80 commencement exercise at Nambe Memorial High School in the years of 2023 to 2024. It's a pleasure to be here and extend our humble gratitude to those who have worked so hard to make this day possible for us, the graduates. So on behalf of the graduating class of 2024, I would like to say thank you for each and every one of you. To all my my fellow graduating teens, let us think back to the very first day we enrolled as freshmen in this school, now Memorial High School. We were like different people and different warriors from a variety of places, united together to initiate a journey together. Years back, we can all get along with each other. We made friends, and from that moment on, collaborating to the place of hatred, and we all tried to achieve one thing in common. That is to succeed throughout high school years. I can say that we are like pirates in a cruise ship, spending many nights and days searching for one goal, and that is to find and own undiscovered land. We were like also an army of soldiers training for the same destiny, and that is to defeat those who stand against us. We traveled over all the 7 seas in search of land. We sailed through strong waves, windy nights, thunderstorms. We ran low on food and water, some died of hunger, but we are still on our feet. We climbed to the highest mountains and crossed barren deserts. Rain or shine, we fight to the very end. Whenever one of our crews decided to quit, we are always there to support them by saying, we're almost there, you just have to be strong and have faith in yourself. And on this day, June 11, 2024, at this very moment, our ship has arrived on our destination. We have achieved our objective, and that is to defeat the soldiers. This is the day we have been waiting for. All the hardships we overcame, this journey has led us to this day, and I am very grateful to proudly inform you that we have succeeded. Dreams come true. We have accomplished our dreams, so let success and happiness fill your hearts. We should not have to worry nor brag, love, or sorrow, for we have done a very good and great job. Keep in mind that this may seem like to be the end, but no, this is just a single step in the thousands of steps we have to take through the journey we face in life. This is just the beginning. I repeat, this is just the beginning. So I'll tell you today that this is the end of our high school. So I'll tell you today that this is the end of our high school years, but we all set out today and start another journey tomorrow that is more challenging than the one we have completed. You should all feel proud of yourself, as I am proud of you all as a student body. I would like to congratulate each and every one of you. I know that without His almighty love, this day will not be possible. I want us to go to college and get all the education we can to come back and help our own country, for we are the future of our nation. So once again, congratulations and good luck to you all, class of 2024. On behalf of class 2023 to 2024, I would like to extend our warmest and humble gratitude to all our parents, extend our warmest and warmest gratitude to all our parents who have helped us through this journey. Thank you all for the love, care, and support you have given us. Ever since we have started, this voyage, you were always there by our side, showing us the right direction and giving us aid when we needed it. You have sacrificed all your precious time to make this day possible. How can we ever take trust? If there is a word greater than thank you, that is what we will all say to you. If it wasn't for you, we will not be here today in this captain smiling and feeling proud. We thank you and we hope we made you all proud. To you, my dear loved Father, the Surah Regiment, I would like to start asking for your forgiveness. For how careless and stubborn child I was. I understand there were so many times I turned that smile into a frown. So many times I made you angry. All I bring was trouble. With that, Father, I am deeply sorry. I have been so selfish and foolish, but you still hold onto my hand. Father, for all those times you beat me up for what I did wrong, I thought that you hate me. However, I found myself that I was wrong. To love me and care for me, that no other love can be compared. I am so thankful for you today because you prepared me to be this person. I am very grateful to have a father like you. Thank you was all I can say. And if that is not enough for you, please, it is all I can say. Father, I love you, and I hope I make you proud. To you, my lovely mother, Jaylene Alexander. Mom, when can I start? I really do not know what work can be perfect to have done. I made you suffer for 9 months and 18 years for raising me, but not even a second you regret me. When I first had my baby steps, I fell for the first time and you brought me back up to start again. And all my life you always tell me to try again and work hard. You love me with all your heart, you care for me with all your faith. When I was feeling sick, you were always there to comfort me. Mom, you have done everything to me and I really and I really do not know how to thank you. Sorry for those times I have just stupid in our family, making you sad and irritated. You know, I regret these times that brought tears into your life. Keep in your heart that I am very grateful to be your daughter and you to be my mother. I loved you from the very first time I saw your face. Today I want to thank you with all my heart and for everything you have done to me. Thank you for sacrificing those precious times of yours just to hear me. You know, I am proud of you and I hope you are proud of me too. Special thanks to my siblings, especially my older sisters, Tidanya and Janifa, for always being so supportive. Ava, thank you for everything you've done to me and to our little family. I just want you to know that I am very proud to be your sister and that you really made mom and dad proud to be their daughter too. Please keep on pursuing your dreams so that we can be even more proud. To you, Chidanya, I thank you for departing us and your kids just to provide goods for us, your little family. Thank you for the lessons taught me and for even so overprotective for all these years. I am really proud to be your sister and I am grateful for you. Being my sister. I couldn't be shining today without the help from both of you. Thank you and I love you both. To you all my best friends, what can I say? To you my P for all or my books for life. Rosemary, Manuel, Roseanne Manuel, and Mary Jane Cabinses. These are my best friends who I have known for many years and have always been there for me through thick and thin. We have shared countless memories together and have been through many life experiences that have made our friendship stronger. In fact, you are also the reason I'm standing up here. It is because of the love and encouragement you guys gave me. I thank you all and I love you. To you, Aline, Sia Martin, and Juliana Alphonse, my best friends I met at Nabay Memorial High School. I really appreciate you guys for being part of my life. Thank you all for being such supportive, kind, and loving friends to me. Since we are graduating today, I want to say congratulations and I wish you the best. I love you guys and I am so proud of you today. Congratulations to you, to Rosemary and Roseanne. I am so proud of you too. To you, to my academic class, it was fun having you as my classmates and friends. You have been too nice, too kind, too helpful, too supportive, and too funny. I thank you all for working with me throughout the 4 years. Congratulations to you all. My advice to you is to get drunk from H2O and get high from chocolate. Enjoy your celebration and remember that college is waiting for you. Thanks to my uncles, aunties, cousins, nephews, and nieces who have been so supportive, kind, and helpful and funny. Thank you all for showing me how much proud you are of me today. Thank you for encouraging me, for telling me to do my best for the past 4 years. Thank you is all I can say now. So again, thank you and I love you all. Our special thanks to the NMHS principal and all the teachers and staff. Thanks Thanks for all your hard work and sacrifices. I can say that it is a relief for the teachers that we are departing. For every 5 days a week, you came to give us lessons in spite of our stupidity and stubbornness. Your goal is to make us to be successful students, and today I believe that without all your efforts, we will not be graduating. We thank you all for all the wisdom we have gained from you, and we promise to use them in our lives and journeys through education. Thanks to you all. On behalf of all the TSP seniors, I would like to extend our special thanks to the Educational Talent Search Program for the extra hard work you have done for us. Thanks for all those fun activities and the extra help you provided. I guess that we will all miss this program, especially the donuts and the Kool-Aids. Just so you know that we are all proud to be TSP participants, and we will always be TSP students, for TSP has become our family. We will keep in touch. To all the remaining students and friends, brothers and sisters, it is really sad for us to finally say goodbye. Goodbye is the saddest word I will ever say, but what else can we say? Our bodies will leave Nambay Memorial High School, but our memories will stay with you now and forever. Thanks for those times, unforgettable moments we have spent together over the past 4 years. We will always remember you in our hearts. And a word of advice to you that has been passed down from one commencement to another, now I am going to pass it on to you. Remember that you are in a journey that few have completed, few have failed, sometimes hard, sometimes it's easy, sometimes you will go through rough places or make tough choices. Whatever you do not just quit right away. Be strong and do not be afraid to fall, because that is why you have 2 feet. If one of your feet fall, the other one has all the energy to bring up the fallen foot to start again. If you fail once, do not lose hope and stop right there. Move on, for success is just a few steps away. Do not follow where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and live a trial. Through every journey, we encounter failure, and if you will fight harder, failure will be defeated and success will take its place. You all have to work together in your journeys. As Henry Ford said, if everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Nothing is perfect and nothing is impossible. We are all humans. We make mistakes and we learn from them. The only impossible thing is if we do not try at all. Obey your teachers and do your homework every night. Keep in mind that neither success nor failure is final. Make Nambay Memorial High School proud one day. Thank you all and good luck. Kalangan.
Kalangan Pawe, Miss Frederick. Child Brown, kaski yang pinaka-popular oleh Belanabon. Nice sa child program, kejayaan korang Melka kan kapen, sang rail makasusaburan mo. Bro kat Kiang Rai, bukas keseburan buat beliau lebaran. Kol lamau kambaga kasangsang. Hai sukses Chairman Kachangan and Isong valedictorian speech, the address. Enggak saisan. Pinagap manit. Nangyayari sa parpayo. Bajuan Kalawedi. 4.0 GPA. Atang. Niya kapat panar. Pagpajan yung wantang. The point. Tuwagit. Abugis lisak payo. Yay may pacuan Kalawedi nambay ang ran mo kurang. O ay so mokset. Imem baju kunyandi kot usap. O lugar. Our valedictorian address for graduating class of 2024, Miss Hasumi Hardo.
Iyaw o kasalalaman ay chual walap o kapung o anila. Ipapakita may chual wa papachawachawaw kan metyong ermoy o waw naging kachti pachodi ang ranwa chunsa. Way kachin bubraya puyangak pachoyong nanay chual sa karatanan sa uksan. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed faculty, families, friends, and fellow graduates. Today marks an important day in our lives. As we stand at the beginning of our future, I am filled with gratitude and respect. Over the past 4 years, we faced challenges, celebrated achievements, and formed memories that will last a lifetime. To our teachers, thank you for your complete support and for pushing us to reach our full potential. To our families, your support and encouragement have been our strength. To our distinguished guests, you all have contributed to today's success in numerous ways. And to my fellow graduates, we did it. We've grown together, learned together, and today we celebrate together. As we begin our new journeys, let's carry forward the lessons we've learned here. The value of hard work, the importance of overcoming hardships, and the power of working together. Remember, our achievements today are the causes for tomorrow's successes. Congratulations, class of 2024. Let's step into the future with confidence and braveness. Thank you.
Kalangan kami Miss Ardos, Chalbong kat Kiyang pinakapabiliwal na naman. Ay sukses Chalbong kat nangan na isang keynote address o mon sagradahan kawait bepaisan sa ranwat. I remember Juan William Chandio o Kabasa. Remember Juan Kalawedi. Number Sinu. Ang ran mo kasasuburan mo. Pwede ka kuya. Sagatan Kabasa. Ang sa pagmachay Sagatan Kawedaran. Pelagap manat nangyayang sa barpayo. Juan Kalawedi. 4.0 GPA o tuan kapat panandangan sang nan pingo dua baco dan pingo sa kuyaw Epachuan Galawedi. Total points 8,943. The one again to work by Saxilu. On Iso Moxet. Remember yung child. Kasamo. Miss Moira Pablo. All the best.
Kasi yaman ko, pwede yan sao, ay may bajang chawa ka may chang ermoy, wang kisa machay coach, pwede yan sa naor may coach kika naman aba namang chay. Wang kita belabakan koros, panenay kang koros, o koros na coach dapat yung success. And so what? Yang kian sa mga buyang kap, kabasa. Duka, sabal macay, wala bang wengkichi ang nanseren senador. Mayay, Mrs. Aralyn Mofic. Kalangan,
o kasalerya na ito. Mon me koros ay cuma sa karadaan kay pani dan kubron sa matay court. Pwede kubron ka no akan kalangan ay sa koros o kat kiyang katay osmo kan naurangot o katay dan yang katong tataw ko sa panyot. Pwede ay cuma bato te o bato na nilang iyang o kay pani. Kono rakson bombe yu ay cuma waulat tang kubron sa nangan ko. Na depends ko, naalala ko o ganito. Protong wasakset, imen ka jawan niya, itumal wow pang kupron tau kiti, waon kinos kiti. Dapat nor lumpo. Na nakasabi kiti. O lang caikan, me isadro, patrawan malwatong kupro, ay wawan pinto kiti. Wow, turor pan kuran. Pwede kwel, ay cuma sa karatang mawan to kasang rompayas o yung amidoliantan o korong kan. Wow, turor pan kuran labalagakan koros man balian tiyak, memonso o kapuray. Imen waon ki o gona sa Honorable Steve Joseph Governor Bombay State na Batang Trail Ranwood, Son Gopong Nelson Joseph o yung mga Associate Judges Anson o Johnny. Gona sa yung ay Senator Kan. Senator Simina, mga Chairman and Committee on Education, o Senator La Torre, mga Chairman and Committee on Land. Ay tumanwawan bilto ka wali patar ng Congress, Quincy Lawrence, or Mark Lawrence. My respect to the diplomatic community, especially those who have been able to join us today, Ambassador of Japan to the FSM, representatives from the China Embassy, and Charge the Affairs from the US Embassy. Ay tumanwawan bilto ko wali apawakan na ni sa punati, mayang katong kay Ranwot. Ay tumanwawan bilto ko labalabakan na istabatungan na katong Ranwot. Imen bilto na sa wawan ginono babakan. Ay isa rin magpang pa sa Ranwot. Ay tumanwawan bilto ka principal in NMHS o yung mga principal kan. Mayang Paturanwat o sa Batang Koros and NMHS o staff. Untuk koros mayang patron kasarawin ko sa bulan Ranwat. Kumabak ay tungon wow and bilto ke waliaban FSM NDOE na mayang paturan. Apmelan kumain join school kan naban nagsang Ranwat. My congratulations to you all. Ay sa umaw, yan niya ay tuwan kalangan o Tirel Choice School kan. Beban ko sa Buranmot, nono kan o tatakan o sa matangkan pwede. Sa pulmumente, ang may tuwan Pilipin. Ato kay Ranmot, yan niya ang may tuwan keynote address. and rangot. Iba isong and kita forward when Mio katapan sa pulmamay te amay tungal Pilipin ato kayo. Monay tantaw na nanay tungal sa karata, i-share post yung may ipatawang kata-kata sa uyog sa mala. Kami inenen appropriate yung sa pagmatay te at tungal team and rangot. So on patakman, mon natural school ka na analysis kang and kasaleta ya wasa radimi yan ng takena ray school at patarong nono bagan sa school ko pisinligaw yun o bakit na sabal marente aray chungal seri so chopoita na yung subject aran wewegi may seri paros bakbasang nalboy nan matmatang na naray interest na tama rin niya. So, ang bata ko, nang kisil ko, kapinono, baka, kasaliyang sabal marel, kaya rin chungal sarigan, kaparopor, o utut, minta na rin koyak sa tulil, wasa na rin nanenlen, niyoton, mekot marikakan ko koyak lang. Ori, ibang watak, nibaton way, out of ang siliko. So, ang bata ko, katungan na natin ang siliko. Dear parents, the exams of your children are to start soon. I know you are all really anxious for your child to do well. But please do remember, amongst the students who will be sitting for the exam, there is an artist who doesn't need to understand math. There is an entrepreneur who doesn't care about history or English. There is a musician whose chemistry marks won't matter. There's an athlete whose physical fitness is more important than physics. If your child does get top grades, that's great. But if he or she doesn't, please don't take away their self-confidence and dignity from them. Tell them it's okay. It's just an exam. They are cut out for much bigger things in life. Tell them, no matter what they score, you love them and will not judge them. Sa Pulmatang team, the Orala Bentare School is supporting our children today to succeed tomorrow. The goal will be sa Pulmatang Sarigan Ranwan on Koidan Laka. Orala Pot Kaiden Ramen Kaboso, Apen Wiamen Kuburo on Mono Batakan, Son Batakan, Kantan Kamarain, or sa Pulmatang government, when we are ino yo and the two Romatang Sarika, or Bildian Murka. Euran sabon matal sarika iran medania future leaders in episode. Pilpon Bay State, obilkak lella lugita. Iran medania entrepreneurs, the businessmen, the woman. Medang nakairan tatayan way. Iran medania euran data episode. Pilpon Bay State, on service and doctor, engineer, sonpatak, nurses, senators, o saman kanda ikan. Nakinawali yung kitayin manor na government gilpo ko. Ira jojoy na kasalena ni Bisedjot. Nakunong ang tutuwejo at kitayin ang taulang lalawin niya may tawid o ujut ang sabon matay sa rinang kalwat orang kakaan ko po itag lakap. Pwede yan isaw, yan ano po katay rariyaw, may ikamelene, may ina ko yung pasangwan o we are person and makers. Kayo yung tutan nono data. Pwede po sa nanatay layas, temanor ka na inanin ko sampan, o inaging sansan ni po itaka. Yang kato ni papa ko na isarin kitiranin yun, tisang mawiyawitian, niyewan sa umbungan. Aral chungal team, and rano yay, rong ka na yung katakan nono bata. Mga nakapman mo yan, mga kasalata, o walian youth and kodang, o uya kasarasaras yaw, totoong pupotin sa idariyaw. Eu posso don't vote you. I am minha opinião. A report me pelo isoto auto siniang ibirjo poputi ametiro paspasinento. Me wewe ke mennak kumaita auto kita otro kila katakan nono taba amai no tanto san kita kawin ma soto me botka pasai kumaiti utu pemain magkayalay. Mesotra men romo auto kita katakan nono baba etan matang leyang kapal poputi okak ay salungan. Ipokatay robot ka sambal ka pwede ko school ko ras kunjak sa renono kaba tana ti ka up to ulad. May sojo kan mau bana ti ka ayamu mana kan mau lebih. Kita kun kala pajowan education begins at home. Ye was the person na natal serikan ana job sanction. Kaya din ka schooling na nakangjo the formal education and ng classroom na kasabwan. Nan memori sa pulmatay, te atay tungal serika. Apa schooling nan nongyo. And atay tungal serika pinanane and pinuyawil patagat korendak anti. Limpak te pakong menimbaray o en pilkuya kausan na naray kan mamor o kapayarta nan onago o insarama. Tamak tayo nono baba pinanane kos kuni dia tayo tungal serika ran prananti mamori o kausan Yay wow, limbok kanangama o lalabok. O poita koros kanujud pun bawa samut pilyang ako poita melen na iski. Koryaw, eo kana o kawit pananono baba o saudata. Yay eo juban poita sa pulmatay sarita. Abmelan saudata ka. Nakun ay sa jojo pinanane an kanangama. John Mete. Lalapot so maray tungal tun school kan yeyew makare ka tayo ka kotpano sa kotpano ramo di ko permanenti atay tungal serikan aran nagsangeray sa kisin ko kiso me iwata ka taning kapan nagkaton ni lumayan moy yeyi may kamela na miso kata koros kintiwo ki onan siyam when katoke kano cap the maton ni matangan quality ka school okay pa. So, unang pa sa Manaro, iuyak ino letters ni Roy on Education Day, January 2022. Oralap yay, navigating with passion, collaboration, and perseverance to succeed. Masojo ang sa katakarailan tungong lalapot o kanangana, ranwat kutal sa Japan, kapolaki o karparan ko po itan sa bulmatay sa Rigaran. Oritama kutal patki, pagpatok ba na ranwat, Ye kasalaban atay koros kaupon ko sa mga atay tumal serikan porentak an ko poitaran with open lakap. Poitaran with ye imeban niya person and poitan lakap the person tasang konutut kawait mau sang renono baba o sa matapang serikan. To the graduating class of 2024, congratulations. Before you celebrate your achievements, take a moment to reflect on how you got here. It is a good time to thank your parents, your teachers, your mentors, and who else crossed paths with you to make today a success. Let's give a big applause to our parents, the principal, Teka Kuda Peter, and all the teachers and staff who made today possible for you. Graduates, this is a new chapter in your lives. You've all worked hard to be here today, and being here is success in itself in this chapter of your life. And don't let anyone take that away from you, even if you did not get a certificate of achievement. It's a success just being here today. You've encountered challenges and navigated through these challenges, celebrated triumphs, and forged friendships that would last a lifetime. You know, when I was a student like you, we did not have as many opportunities as you have today. Today, you have the opportunity to study basically anywhere you want with scholarships. So make good use of this opportunity. Take today and tomorrow as an opportunity to explore a new facet of your lives. Change can be scary, but it pushes you out of your comfort zones. And it also acts as a catalyst for growth and innovation. In the face of challenges, remember that adversity is not the end, but a catalyst for growth. You will encounter failure along the way, but don't shy away from failure. Every failed experience is a step closer to success. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. It will be your determination and perseverance that will carry you through the toughest of times. Don't let peer pressure steer you away from your goals. Always be aware of your surroundings And surround yourself with the right atmosphere. The right people in your lives will help you achieve your goals. Not everything you plan is meant for you. Some things are not meant to be, and that is because you have a greater purpose in life. Hard times may feel like they are too big to overcome, but go through it. It helps you appreciate success more. Everyone you meet is going through something you know nothing about. So be kind to other people, and other people will be kind to you. Go out and take risks. You have to do something you never did to get something you never had. In other words, if you keep telling yourself you want to do something but never actually got to doing it, you'll never know whether it will be a success or not. So take risks. Keep God close always. Remember where your foundation is. He will always be there for you. Congratulations, class of 2024. Your future is filled with infinite possibilities. So take advantage, because you remain focused and invested in the greatest asset you have, and that is you. Go out and conquer the world. Once again, congratulations to the class of 2024. Kalangan, ere-ere ito sa karon.
Kalangan Kongwi Honorable Movic, Child Brown at kiyang Sekretarian Kawit Piliw Development. Ay so maksik Pagkiran wat kati labwat Child katin payamaw Uba Bilperngabana Pilabot Sekretarian Kawit. A special remark. We mengunyang child you look at Kabina and Wayne Pombe, the Honorable Stevenson A. Joseph on Secretary.
Tawag nos, bukan mo, suwala kalabdun ko, supon, korosya, magajin kumurate ng Secretary. Wow! For my friends from abroad, I attach my remarks of salutation and greetings, recognition to the speakers before me for the interest of time. Chungalan ko kapeng. Kapeng ko ikagayang patsayang katiyang ranwat. At meron pa siya papanono. Sun patako yung kicik. Tapkapungki sa pagmatay si Rika. Ar ka nagalariw katalang school. O napatako rin kakako eh. O alet. Dami rin patuwan pa sa nito. Imen bakita o imen yang. Kalakadaki si Rika. Ikagtagi noon nakakakan. Wasak main ket pacoy main melau ket tat pacota. Nono baba. Tapi wow. Kailangan. Main magkasakasya pag run watch main patowan. Nono baba. Child Barusia. Ciptaan kayaning siri. Ciptaan anin. Di kumain man sang ngayon, Senator Movic. Sapul mamain kapilan, mau. Meleta si Rumpukat, aray patuwasan siya. Kahit katskiyang rayo. Asa ulit man kakita prinsipolo, mutual sumpatangan. Susunod na Pilipin, sumpatangan choose. Puso dyan Pilipin, magmay niyang pacho. Ang may pacho, tawa siya kung may pacho yan. May pachowan, prinsipyo mo siyang matang. Sang tatamao, nyong, lipilit, meron siyang alaniki, pwede kamao pamay. Kapatyanger ngono tapa. O kanaute. Kayaan magmay patuwan na nim. Pagpagtong ng parent school. Main ko, imen kami na yung pakunwats. Napukon na pali si rin school, pukon sa kata, kahit yung tatawag mga iyo. Patuwan pa siyang sumbar tayo. Aramas Pilipin man, nautaan, hinangi o konyangan uyat pawit. Aray jungal kawait, mepan uyata, sirupukat, o mepapil sikan ray, orang kapitan wasarapan patuloy. Karena kecai nasa ni o pacuan prinsipal aray jungal sumbatangan mepaco, ikat sekiyang ray dia dapat lalu. Kawait kan napatuloy buhay sang rin yang amay to school riyaman. Patsang masayang sanasanga Honorable Senator Movic ay charar ang kawait. Dami men patuwan kapatsayan. Kumailan wewe kiyo chama-chaman. Na kumain katlal kita. Gawasanan kumailan kapoy. Sang ranwat kola. Kumain na panuyan. Amain Pilipin ranwat, ima paano yata, is kumain lakam. Karena imen pabor-bor ki, kumain latar, kano kumain kuya. Masay, manaman, sa polim na kosanti, nagcahit pa ang kosanti, o ang kagaletak, talang kakayamaw, nanuluwas. Karena kumain third manukwela, kaway siyang papa, kaway siyang subata, abmelen, anso korus. Niya may paan chuwang irayin, may paan kakachan kamora sa ikumay na. May paan kakachan kaya kumain mata-mataw yung may isyadar, paan kakan huya dami men huya. May terangan isang mata-mataw. Yan kakita. Wan na kumain patuwan ang sulit itchan. And sikan kumain. O aleti tama kumain patuwan ko sa netiranus. Kumain yung kakaliti, lakap patuwan. Kaya kumain. Nagkaan puro to. Higdak kumain ng puro to. O kapaliwin pompe, abmelel kids, ang suot ko sa baan, ikailan, walaw, tukan, ananan, na may sauce. Nareta, kapara-para kay coach, totong kawait, masang kapanono, sumpatak, kumain, siyokawin mo, o kumain tero. Dito nga sa karatahan, kapat-sapat kawait, kanakan ng tutur parusin.
Kalangan Kupromi, my Governor, Honorable Joseph, Pwede Sekretariat Kawait, may pilitan Chailer, may kusukuran with Pachong Sekretariat Kawait with Changen, ang nan Chailer Rere, Chay Manchabetesan, Rang with Pachuan. Chay Promat Piang, Governor Pileo, Lablan Balaman. Ay sukses Chay Bang Katlangan nan Pilmil kakangkap, sangrai magsusurang. Kailangan kumay, may kutsukurangot, call kasi nga namaw. May bulang bagi katiwa siya, kung kailangan katiyang, dahil bagat pilew, napulapan. Naisong masyadong program. Saya bang kailangan na naisong kasabot ko ko, o kaloktan, dahil bagat kutsukurangot. Kung aisong maukset, remember doon yung child yo, lugar. Mrs. Tega Kuida Peter Hardus, principal at Nampeng High School, o kasabot, o mengunyang child lugar. Walyaban, director, acting director Ramirez, o Pugon Haru.
iyang o kasaliliamento. Ay jungal sa karatang wow, ang puro sa machay coach, uy men bakita me. Ay jungal wow ang ranas pan pachang wow pan machiyang yung mawa. Wow ang kilo ko topat ti korasan ranwaj. Chain panay na yung usap o melal kumain serikan makoskosabol ranwaj. May waliaban kaunay school. Irai serikan me pacho mo child ranwaj. Irai kan nampalian academic me riyok isiman. Nampalian business me riyok aman. Nampalian agriculture me riyok o nampalian trade and industry me riyok paman o aman transition. Serbukaj kanagalar or tagan high school o kanagalar ananaban ko school kan koros maraban ananan balian high school o ay sausage kan walian tibanay chuntato o office and NMHS o bakita ko yan kasabot serbukaj kalangan
Principal. Unira, kacoy ng kapawat. Ligabang ita, iwawan pa siya nga siya. Wawan na siya nga rumoy kuhi. Ay so, kajibilin na po na ano. Kamelan na. Kawal ma siya siya rin at meran. Tibra siya talaga. Hari, siyang ni manaman. May chungalan ki. Here we are only at County School. Ranwats, June sa tel. Kaya na kriyasan tayo. Serapukat sa kanagalan. O kasabul siya nga Tagayan ka school and high school. Na school and NMHS. Nante Memorial High School. O kakatalang non-college masontier kan me pasonti me painan inanian oban bachelor bal kanwat siri tuwag silaman masasan lang kasabuluwat kalangan o imentagita chay koros kalan kasal kan amapitok Tali, Koyer, Horos, Rio, Sirio. Dapat saya kecil masih betul. Kailangan o congratulations Horos yan.
Kailangan ko bro mo principal o acting director. Ramirez. Ay bilgak sa isal. O yung memang kabasa ang patpilap. Dan ranwat. May iray sa Bugat Koros, Pachuan Pass, College of Magnesia Entrance Examination. Dahil Pachuan ng IDA, congratulations of mine. Ang isang Chairman Kaglangan ang isang presentation of awards o Chairman Chapida diploma. Kung may mga Chair juga, irayat sa padakin Senior Mr. Elias o Mrs. Andon ang patutan diploma. And I would like to ask Acting Secretary of Education from the Department of Education, Episode Government, Mrs. Lily Habram Jonathan, and Williaman U.S. Embassy to please present this award.
Yang sebagai ketua yang kacung kupuraikit, wasen kapal yang nana cungal kuko, and agar tamaran segikan mukas kasar kupuranos. Pamros, Barnabas, business major, Seymour School.
Logan Manuel, Agriculture, Seymour School.
Shane and Barnabas, TNI, Garland School.
Dixon Barnabas, Trading Industry, Seymour School.
Carlina Joseph, Academic, Salabuk School.
Bergan Joseph, Transition, Animal School.
Melinda Yohanes, Agriculture, Garland School.
Miguel Nadora, Agriculture, Combine School.
Adrian Celestine, Academic, Seymour School.
Trading Industry, Seymour School.
Morsha Sinta Olpech, Academic, Roy School.
McKigan Jones, Academic, Column School.
Thank you, Deputy Chief and Mrs. Jonathan. At this time, I would like to humbly ask His Excellency from the Chinese Embassy, Ambassador, to please present the award, as well as Senator Adora. Representative from the Chinese Embassy.
Carmina Blues, Business Major, One School.
Mark Malarme, Agriculture, Combine School.
Melissa Enrico, Academic, One.
Kingston Rabine Agriculture Online School.
Andrea Martin, Academic Roy School.
Honor Faith Manuel Agriculture Honor School.
Rosa Manuel, Academic St. Mark's School.
Welfare School Agriculture Honor School.
Rosemary Manuel, Academic St. Mark's School.
Jose Waltu Agriculture Online School.
Lorline Anton, Business St. Mark.
Aini Moses Agriculture Palang School. Remember Juan Luke Kalangan Prama. Thank you, Jesse. Songo Bung Laban Win Bombay. Oh, Ambassador from Japan to please present this award.
Armina Rafael, Agriculture Major, Untrained School.
Gaylord Spencer, Trade and Industry, Palang School.
Margaret Sean, Agriculture, Galang School.
Richard Santos, Trade and Industry, Calder School.
Lenstein Nicholas, Business, Galang.
McCartney Johannes, Agriculture, Senior School.
Frania Amusten, Business, Buena School.
Tumorian Yamalu, Business, One School.
Asumi Arthur, Academic St. Mark's School.
Iverson Panagat, Academic Senior School.
Valentina Essien, Business, Untrained.
Malcolm Julius, Trade and Industry, Palang School. Thank you, Ambassador of Kalangan Program Sangkobong. Remember Juan Bagi, Chairman and Education and Mamuan Legislature, the Honorable Simina, o Speaker and Mamuan din sa Gonedi, and Gagpatkida Sinigopka.
Lisa Emmanuel, Agriculture Major, Buena School. Sinesa Cruz, Business, Omni School.
Iray Amustan, Agriculture, One School.
Lalisa Erman, Agriculture, Wanan.
Impeachment Augustine, Business, One School.
Dora Nikilmeten, Agriculture, Untrained.
Casey Santiago, Academic, One School.
Chloe Ivanilip, Academic, St. Mark's School.
Shaynard Johannes, Trade and Industry, Palang School.
Taina Santos, Business, Colonia.
Rusty Mauricio, Business, Rose School. Kalangan Programa, Senator Simina o Speaker Salvador. Remember Juan Pagi, Senator Elias, Councilman Elias. O sa Palmachay, Senator and Mumod and Congress, the Honorable Lawrence, ang Pandangan sa Congress.
Zoe Ivanilip, Academic Major, St. Mark's School.
Johannes Sean David, Business, One School.
Peratela Net, Business State School.
MacArthur Sawalian, Trade and Industry, Ambay School.
Maria Cupo, Business Roy School.
Walter Junior Toronto, Trade and Industry, Calabot School.
Renier Manuel, TNI One School.
Alphonse Barnabas,
Rina Dean Anton, Academic One School.
Henrik Junior Pablo, Agriculture One School.
Moira Pablo, Academic Roy School.
Artigan Santos, Business, One School.
Kanan kubrama wala ko. Ay so magsik. Remember cuman luke Vice Speaker in Subanati. Oh, William Education, Mr. Martin, and that young Pajawan Taksin ko bukan.
Betian Lorenzo, Academic Major, Balang School.
Tennessee Braden Now, Academic Rose School.
Marian Family, TNI, St. Mark's School.
Wright Mason, Trade and Industry, Animal School.
Mary Jane Joseph, Agriculture and Brain School.
C.G. Anson, Agriculture, Animal School.
Martin Emmanuel, TNI, Wanek.
Elson Junior Evan, Business, One School.
Julian Alphonse, Academic Major, One School.
Calvin Amustan, Academic One School.
Admira Sultan, Business, Roy School.
Randall Bergtown, Trade and Industry, Seymour School.
Kalangan kubrama wala ko. Ay so magsik member cuman luke Chief of EC, Mr. Tom, or Associate Judge, the Honorable Johnny.
Jane Frederick, Academic Major, St. Mark's School.
Augustus Bennett, Academic Balang School.
H.P. Santos, Academic NMHS.
Erpise Santos, Academic Animal School.
Relina Lazarus, TNI NMS.
Excel Artos, Trade and Industry.
Tricia Spencer, TNI Balang School.
Ranger Salvador, Trade and Industry, One School.
Sabrina Barnabas, TNI Seymour School.
Quina Manuel, SS Seymour School.
Mayor Magdalene Alphonse, Business One School.
Rigome Louis, Business Seymour School. Lero William, Trade and Industry, Unbay School. Mariolin Anarigo, Trade and Industry, Honest School. Kalangan Brahma. Imam Pajuan Luga, Associate Church, Ainsan, and Gak. Kach kita siligau bukat, ang rail berseberan.
Garcia Yohanes, TNI Major, Balang School. Elaine Lazarus, Academic, NMHS School. Kay Viola Llewellyn, Academic, Wellness School.
Kalangan Kubrawi, Sanggol. O kalangan ng kumain sa Medagan, Pingasok, Riyawan. Ay suksot sa ibang kailangan ng pagkutahan top 10 certificate o ay sumaksad ng batong walang change juga. Assistant Counselor, Mrs. Elmore Manuel Santiago ang pagkutahan sigaw bukan. Imam Pajuan bagi Panjuran tahu kumpul kalangan o patau pasti tak.
Certificate of Achievement. This certificate is awarded to in recognition for outstanding and honorary achievements. Top 10 students, class of 2023 to 2024, Nambay Memorial High School, awarded on this 11th day of June in the year. So first place, 4-point GPA goes to Hasumi L. Hardos.
O Imam Pajuan juga tabak o nono pinagamanak. Mr. Lazarus Ardos o Mrs. Teka Kuda Peter and Gakpata. Sebatul.
Second place, 4-point GPA goes to Jane Frederick.
Taba o nono pinagamanak. Mr. Yusimra Frederick o Mrs. Jane Alexander Frederick. Member ng Bagman Gakpata. Bawa siya pangenay ko paspadaya.
Third place, 4-point GPA goes to Muela Pablo.
Imam Pajuan bagi nono Baba, Mr. Tony Pablo o Erliner Mauricio Pablo and Gakpata.
Fourth place, 3.98 GPA is awarded to Mejian Lorenzo.
Baba o nono
Mr. Wilson Lorenzo or Mrs. Sherlyn Paul Lorenzo.
Fifth place, 3.96 GPA is awarded to Silaine Lazarus.
Papa Onono, Mr. Benjamin Lazarus or Mrs. Haylene Kathleen Lazarus.
Sixth place, 3.96 GPA is awarded to Casey Santiago.
Papa Onono, Malagap Manag, Mr. Kaysa Santiago or Mrs. Janet Edson Santiago o Baba Kalam Joseph Santiago. May ababali Malagap Manag.
Seventh place, 3.92 GPA is awarded to Genesee Raiden Now.
Papa Onono, Mr. June Now or Mrs. Stacy Bennett Now.
Saruriaman Kalaweti Kaisu o Ewa Ward Pangajalang Adrian Celestine.
Papa Onono, Mr. Robert Celestine or Mrs. Nalisa Ardos. The Miss Monica Ardos o Bilapal Vice Remanet Rustam Thompson.
Eighth place, 3.92 GPA is awarded to Andrea Martin.
Papa Onono, Mr. Anderson Martin o Mrs. Marcy Louise Martin. Pati kami na mabubotot ko sa pati mas pumbin o wala publika pajutan.
Number 9, 3.90 GPA is awarded to Iverson Carnavas.
Papa Onono, Mr. Rickson Barnabas o Mrs. Amy Yohanis Barnabas.
Saruriaman Kalaweti Kaisap, 3.90 GPA o Elvan Bachalang Mikivens Yohanis.
Papa Onono, Mr. Benignos Yohanis o Mrs. Yumina Washington.
Elvan Bilbachalang Renaline Andon.
Papa Onono, Mr. Rickson Andon o Mrs. Miss Sinalin Enli o Bilabalban Pinakamanit Pinakpajoda. Kaya promain no. Kejal Pajonong Irai top 10 Pukat. Udah berlalu. Kalangan promain. En kak sesal me alatak kak Yaman. En bisa selamat tuwaj me arachungal GPA sangajayo arachungal kapat panandangan bil sangajayo. Ayi mang alatak sa ngucap kak parata. Mami uya iron pay kasal dekalapa on kot waj ayi me mulyanti irain option nambe mulai school jetun kan u kapasaran.
Also certified Rajawanda Special Award of Academic Major Students.
Remember you want look at North Kitchen. Kung bukod kalangan na bukas kita, sili ko bukat. Usawal man pada kuburan North. Kalangan problem maing North.
This certificate is awarded to Asmi L. Atos. Jane Frederick. Moira Pablo. Melchian Lorenzo. Elaine Lazarus. Andrea Martin. Iverson Barnabas. McGivens Ioannis. Renaline Anton. Gaviona Llewellyn. Alsan Barnabas. Casey Santiago. Adrian Celestine. Morjasunda Olvet. Julian Alphonse. Rosan Manuel. Augustus Pellet. Melissa Enrico. Genesee Raiden Now. Aileen Santos. O Calvin Amustan.
Kailangan programin main sa wala balap kecil. Remember cuman juga Senator Louis and got pajuan dah kerjaan sudah kau orang special certificate kan.
Coba Sharon. Sinubukan pambajoyang Larry Mekaluan Special Awards na Alliance Business Studies. Eo pambajoy pachalang
Kailangan kami Senator Louis. Imember Juan Bagida, Councilman Emmanuel, kamu yang berkelangan o baca wanda pilsel ko may paling na sa
Nambalyan Agriculture Studies, El Silukaw Bambachalang, Mark Malarmen. O El Bambachalang, Armina Rafael.
Kalangan kami Councilman Emmanuel. Imember Juan juga Williaman NMHS. Enggak yang baca wanda silukaw bukan.
Nambalyan Trade and Industry, El Silukaw Bambachalang, Tricia Spencer. O El Bambachalang, MacArthur Sawalian.
Kalangan kami Williaman Principal dan Madaling High School. Ay sukses Chairman Pagkailangan. Okay. Isa kistoro nagsigaw kabel. Pan sang palibay may bilyang sa waslano. O kayo. Imen Bajuan Luga. Walyaban Lugan Malak. Engkag Bajuan na sa kistoro sang obsilu. Meban Bajulang, kayo salutatorian for class of 2024, Miss Jane Frederick. Gloria Bajulang, our valedictorian address for the class of 2024, Ms. Hasumi Hardos. Kalangan kamu wajib bantu. Beliau sagis pacuatasang former Senator, the Honorable Dr. T. Daniel na madampan ang kayo our valedictorian Ms. Hardos keeps certificate but budget ng wanchala kabugi ay may maduang bagi Dr. D na yang pajabat ay may maduang bagi Luke and kubergalangan ng kita silukawin. Korea Bambajalang Serim na Koyong Kakela Sang Iray Choice School and Kolong Elementary in Kolong Mayang Kasuburangon Bambajalang Miss Belgia Lorenzo. Kailangan ko mo Luke. Pileo. Kapeng. Ang serme rakin bajawan most improved. May ating mga wagla sang niya bajalonan namin mo high school wala do ramot niya kasasamul. Oy membajuan wanyang jajo juga. Field Danam company me owner ta chungan ni paluat Mr. Calvin Samuel o Mrs. Anjoy Hardos Samuel. Oy membajuan pagi waliya ba no Arlene Salvador Hardos and kak bajuanda Sagasway. O Sagasway kat bajalang Mr. Waldis Louie. And kak Saisal me kambani watch field Danam. Dia Iran maging bajuan niya yung yata T-shirt the business and biko or kumalagan ba kuburgi the men yang fine kaksaisan nagmalaga sa yung Mrs. Hardos Pilayok sa Kistoro patuwadasang tanggap niya basang ang valedictorian o ay sa umaksik ng walyang chedyo lugar. Walyaban pangkab etasam. Engkak bajuan tak sakisip. Saya nagsakisip ang valedictorian o parwat valedictorian kisang etasam ban patulang Miss Hasumi Haro. Kalangan pro main mulyaban bersembang. Kumain kubur kalangan o kanang ama ay sokis paranyang sakis bukan. Pilayok sakis pan bacalang most improve sang Mrs. Elise Yohanes o Mr. Dionisio Simon. O mo yang chedyo juga. Nangro norat and kak coach kita te pachawanta sindugawan. Most improved from Pachalang, Waldis Louie. kalangan kau ng bro. Pilih sakis mesang William Kichi nan momod and legislature Senator Honorable Albert Salvatore pahambil pa lang valedictorian o valedictorian. May member Juan Lucas Senator Latore. Kayo sa valedictorian member lang Jane Frederick. Kayo yung valedictorian pan pa lang Asimi Hardos. Kalangan kami Senador Latora. Pilkabing Choror ang girahin ko. May bisa waskitor Pilenimpil dapat sinabi ang keynote address ni Senador Movic o Pilew, sakis Choror, ang kumain mga susuburawat, patunan, kinikit po pacapat, menimbit, ang kumain mga sabon, pero ang kapingwat ang Senator Movic, pero kaping Choror ang walyapan, pahingkitin ang mamuti sa kunit, tabil legislature, tabil Congress, Wagi, Tendaisin kan koros, and B, Melador, Nampay mula school, may nabali sa pamachayan ko at yan ang kaping choror o ang kumal koros. Chayal pati mo ng right, napalala mo. Kaping ang pinirail ko, sang nangkambang kamaray, Mrs. Hanji Lambert, from Kubugalangan, please stand. Mr. Jonathan Thompson, Mr. Dennis Paul. Iral Pugat, pilgiyan uya chow laut on number one school. On isangan chow kan koros, mipidata chandra buen rapaki ta sewas on banyak ka school. Ay sokan rakin grana pangatarong ako pong ita-complain ka pagkatokan kakpaitan at kampan kamarain at melen nabi mo school o ranwat sa menuya chikal kapim ang kumain kaya kita tok sa isa ranwat may paita. Congratulations ang kumain kapim. Oy chikal kapim jororong karusya magpulkiti sa pagmamay. Tamay chungan aiso, kuenya bachang, kasaraw kasampal, and parang kauno, riyakit riyasak tayo. Yay parwat, magchay kami sa kala parang school, riyakit riyasak tayo ang kumain sinyal. Kalangan ng pumal panaynay, lukotokan koros. O koros, na bachang chandaka panayniramo. Nais sa pamachan program, Child culture po ni Punta to. O yay sa kalatan, closing remark, kakairated sa pamachay ni Panaramot, o nung child yun luka, teacher president and Nampay Memorial High School, Mr. Frederick Halbert, Medlanglangi, Luke Onola, ang bukaw.
Kalanan kami manintig. Mohon aikan kaduan Kuya Kapeng, Walianki High School, NMHS, Amawa, ay cuma sekarang kau kapten kan kuburan sama dengan nila. Bagi sansan misyam koros kemingyang misyam ka, kau nama batin pasal ini aisyam, oh aisyam makannya, aisyam. Bagi puel, wow, ay cuma sekarang kau ini kan kuburan syok solo. Kau nak kemelan, istirangan, anak-anak, han kaniya itu. Ay cuma wow doror. Kan sampai tamelan, tahu, nas, mulai siapan terus. Dipilkan mau nih tamelan, saya boleh kalah, seri siapan terus. Siapa san kausap, dan payas yang kami siapa sangat terus dan wajib. Sekarang awal dengan kesabulan, kabilan wen kompe, sepadang kai, karya kabilan. Sepadang kecil, kau syok kamu lepas, kau yang kamu syok kamu bangsa. Iman kepadayang, wan kebelen, syok kamu kan main kiri. Kalian kau pesan yang main kiri. Terus, oh kalian kau pesan yang legislator, oh kamu kurnak. Congressman Lawrence. Rahmat ekonomi yang penuhan mulian di NMHS. Oh, ya kapten. Oh, lagi kapten Rahmat anak boleh tak? Oh, baik. Kita beda nama. Ada masih yang sama reform. Ada kan pengatur dong. Kami panggil. Bagi rela sama macam. Iban padawan pakita kan promain mainan wedang efisien answer yang kat paduan kuya sekarang kapin kalangan main ko main tebak paduanan Facebook buat para tahun tu nama win diri ha kalangan melen kayu kapin kalangan laban koros me karti mone timuan me kianger wawi dan siapa nama yang tetap berang. Karya kalangan beren karakter education. Sama-sama koros. Betul. Kasih kapun kalangan kodan kap toka. Beren rosa. Tetap kot, tetap kamerain. Enkak paitan. Kalangan kurang. Kapun kodan kap toka beren. Pada ini. Pangagita, apa dia terserikan dan connect school, kuenka, kuenka tetap berada. Ay dengan kaping kalangan orang beren, mana kap penakapkan korosmen, ale, pasapol rangot, kalangan yang promo, kuenka yang markoy. Essential, sama senator mau berpaduan. Be, pada ini office, oh, contoh. Win siluat para kanser na ekonom, tetap siluat. Essential me ekonomot, kasalatan pa ito mo, ano, kailangan ng programa. Mahal sama naman me, kung isa luya aramas, mahal. Ikayan koros me pagturangon, ikayan luya aramas, Pilipino mo, ikayan kau. Arkain, caman kau. Lang kukut. Yai jamin maray, o iulan me ko. Taka naman makaban na lakang, alakap ke kapasyanin. Tabi na lakang umano. Di magkara tayo man kami, kaan kumparamuhan koros, jauh school kan koros, kedahin lang tukmot, pagkiran taon na, payin pati yang kedahin taon. Kalanganan, meron, ano yun, paborito, kami sansan rang. Sansan me, Siapa kata syarau kamu ikin kita. Nah, kani kami kontrol. Sudah kontrol. Sudah makan isi kata lampu kita kan. Ko, papan pin kontrol. Wen rak kamera ini masakan. Bukan arah masakan yang bilang, oh kapal mengalir. Tentu ada kemana. Aman cuman marah. Hanya baik-baik kita. Oh, ain saya sudah arah masakan. Oh kau loh dan kapal. Kalangan kumpul koros, Yay, sakara tawat may katawan warian kiti meren NMHS. O sakara kita ni kato. Net ni kato. Kau nu boleh nakin kasabahan kalangan. Katiwat o kaya koras. Yung yati yung daw. Kalangan ng provide o sabar mata ang tatakpay. Ay sakar sakara.
Kalangan kami PJ President, Chairman Kochangan dan Laulong Ulucingati, Wimo yang Chair Bio juga, Senior Pastor Umuson Kono, One Baron William David Ombugong, Wimo Baduan Gong Chal Koros and Kapkata, Nangko number 1.
Paulo and Katin Kuramawi Kumai o Abawali Kumai. Paulo and Katin Kasaneta Sabal Magpit Kalangan o Katpiyang Kumai.
Koros Kati, o Chebang Kochangan dan Kaluya in Rai, Makasabul Ran, Makasabul Sangai Ran.
Six, seven.